got it. Whoa. I'm okay. Oh, there's a UPS truck coming. I better move out of the way. Hey, why do you lie on your back? I gotta get its hand. Oh, okay. Oh, I thought he was gonna stop. I gotta move back. Here he comes. Beep, 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 beep. Hey guys, I got a delivery for you. What happened here? Well, you guys okay? You guys go. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Wow, what's in the box?
Well, I'm not quite sure.
I guess we'll have to find out in the next video what's in that box.
Yeah.
Well, we've been getting a lot of packages because we're less than a week away from Christmas. And you know what? Because we're a truck channel, we're getting what we think are lots of trucks. In the next video, we'll show you what we have. Happy holidays, guys. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, welcome back to Garbage Trucks Rule. Well, you know what? We found what we're calling a treasure chest of trucks. You see, we just moved. And so as we're getting more and more organized, we have discovered this basket. And we're not sure if we have